It's a massive amount considering a month ago it was worth $260 billion. Has it really grown in value that much in 4 weeks?
Not necessarily, but it's really, you have to look at this as a talent war story. And OpenAI employees are getting offers from big tech companies for tens of millions, even hundreds of millions of dollars to leave OpenAI. Secondary transactions like this help OpenAI retain their talent.
In terms of why we're seeing these big secondary offerings, and at the same time as we're seeing, Mark Zuckerberg paying people $100 million bonuses, is every valuation just lifting out on the West Coast if you're involved in AI programming?
Absolutely, yes, is the short answer. And partly that's because investors are incredibly excited about these companies. They think OpenAI, Anthropic, and others will be trillion-dollar companies like Meta, like Google. And employees, like I said, are getting these offers, so there's no choice but to lift these valuations continually.
So what's the next stop? I mean, why say $500 billion? Why isn't OpenAI worth $1 trillion already?
Right. I mean, it's a good question, and these valuations are pretty arbitrary at times. I mean, jumping from $300 billion to $500 billion is pretty crazy, and I've never seen anything like this. But I think you can expect OpenAI's valuation in the private markets will continue to rise, and who knows how far it will go.
So there's another story from Bloomberg about Meta's offering in AI in terms of a standalone app, right? Does ChatGPT absolutely dominate, or are people using Meta? Are people using Perplexity? Are people using Gemini?
People are absolutely using all of them. People are experimenting, and there are a lot of questions about the durability of the revenues of a lot of these products because there is experimentation. But ChatGPT is one of the largest apps of all time. I mean, the use is undeniable. People absolutely love it. It's part of everyone's everyday now, or most people's everyday at least. So I do think that there's real argument for the future of this company, but I think everyone's correct too to be very skeptical of how far these valuations are climbing.